All right, for the third part of this lesson, and this is the final part, we're going to be asking ourselves this: is this a function? All right? It's a very simple thing to do, but we're going to do it in three different ways. One, we're going to do it from a table. Two, from a graph. And three, from points. All right? Now, basically, the whole concept is this. When you input a number, the x can't have two different outputs. What I mean by that is this. So if you look at a table here, let's look at both these tables. What you cannot have is you can't have the same number for x more than once. So if you look down your x's here, right? You have 2, 3, 4, 6. And since it doesn't repeat, you know this is a function. Okay, that's a yes. Because 2, 3, 4, 6, you do not have the same number for x more than once. So that's a yes, that's a function, and you could just say that. You don't have more than one of the same x value. All right? Now for this function right here, I want you to take a look. For n, you have 0, 1, 2, 0. And if you notice, you have the same x value twice. And it has two different outputs. So you input 0, you get 0. You input 0, you get 7. So that means you input the same x twice, and you get two different outputs. So this would not be a function because look, you have the same x value twice. So no, because you have the same x value twice. You have the same x value twice. All right? Doesn't matter what the y's are, you could really just ignore those. It's really, do you have the same x value twice? Now from a graph, it's very easy. It just has to pass the vertical line test. All you do is you pick a line, and you can put this anywhere. And if you could draw a line that goes through 2 points, it is not a function. So this goes through 2 points. This is no, that is not a function, right? This fails vertical line test. In this case, though, no matter where you draw a line down, right, you never hit more than 1 point. It doesn't matter where you draw it. See, it only hits it once, only hits it once, only hits it once, only hits it once. This is yes, that's a function. This passes the vertical line test. Now the final one is from points. This is the same thing as a table. Points are just table form written in a different way. And it's the same thing. You can't have the same x value for more than once. So let's check it out. So in this case, right, let's see if we just underline our x's. When you do this, just underline the x's. You could ignore the y's. You don't even care what the y's are. Like, don't even care what these look like. Do I see the same x value twice? Yes. There's a -1 here, and there's a -1 here. So that means it is not a function. So this is not a function, right? Because same x value twice. Let's take a look at this one. Once again, just underline your x values. X value, x value, x value, x value, x value. I don't even care what my y's are. And if you look here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The x value you don't see, same x value you don't see twice, so this is a function, so this is yes. It's a function, yes, no, never, same x value twice. Alright, that is it for this lesson. Click the 2 links below, finish them, and you have completed your work for the day. Great job.